Welcome to Grampy's Garage. I'm Grampy. So today we're going to take a look at my 1976 Corvette. I picked this up this past summer, at the end of the summer, September. I got a real good deal on it, and I've always wanted a C3 Corvette. Ultimately a 72, that would be my choice of C3, with a big block of course, but that price range for those things is way out of my range of what I can afford right now. So this is my entry into the C3 world. The person I bought it from had it for about a year, and he bought it from some people in Connecticut who put a lot of money into this car. They put like $20,000 into this car. Now, I don't know that I would have put $20,000 in a 76 Corvette, but what I got it for, I'm not complaining. What we're going to do today is we're going to just take a look at this Corvette. I'm going to walk you around it and show you things that have been done to it and things that I plan on doing to it in the near future here. Hope to have it on the road for the spring so I can bring it to car shows and enjoy it throughout the summer. So let's get to it. All right, so let's walk around this thing and see what we got here. One thing I noticed that it doesn't have the rubber bumpers. It's got the hardened bumpers, which I'm really glad about. It actually fits really well for all the C3s that I've come across. When I say they put a lot of money into this car, they put a new motor in it, they painted it, new radiator, new shroud, they put aftermarket air in it. The hood insulation is new, either that or the hood's new as well. It's got a brand new transmission in it. The previous owner, the person I got it from, put these wheels on it. I guess the tires were already on it. It's got a staggered set of wheels on it. I do not like these wheels. I'm going to end up either putting the turbine wheels on it, or which came stock with the 76. It was the first year of the turbines. Or I'm going to go ahead and go with a rally wheel. Haven't made up my mind yet. But they also put the sport mirrors on it. I don't think that came stock with these. They kept with the Stingray badging, which I'm glad about. They deleted upon the antenna, which I could care less about because it'll have a Bluetooth radio in it anyways and listen to music off my phone. It's got the rack for T-tops, but it doesn't have T-tops. It's got this target top, which I'm not a fan of. And the target top is going to disappear. Well, be repurposed actually. It's in good shape. The paint looks good. The tread's good on it, which doesn't matter. I'm going to switch out the tires for probably BF Goodrich or maybe even the Goodyears. Inside, I believe they either had the seats reupholstered or had them replace them with better ones than that probably were in it. It's got a new carpet kit in it, which the carpet kit was not done very well. It's got a new dash pad up here, which is in great shape. Needs the rearview mirror put back in the spot where it originally was, and this taken off the windshield. Like I said, it's or actually I didn't say it. It's got a I Did It steering column in it. I'd like to have the telescoping wheel on it with the tilt, but this is just tilt.
I may have a solution for that as well. I did put a wiring harness in this car. I didn't do it on camera, and I'm kind of kicking myself in the butt for it. I should have done it on camera, but I didn't. It's got new door cards. All the lights work on it. The vacuum system for the headlights is good. Now this target top situation. Let's put this over here. So obviously the target top was leaking, and somebody put this foam insulation on there. And to do so, they glued it on with this adhesive, which is hard as can be. And I don't see myself getting that off of there. So essentially, the trim for the windshield is pretty much garbage. The trim for the chrome trim for the T-tops, not much better. Missing the chrome over here on the sides. Also, the car needs a power brake booster, which I'm going to do here probably in a week or so. It's sitting right there on the workbench. Thinking about putting the stock AC back into it. Haven't really decided on that. But the car has brand new brakes all the way around it, rotors, brand new calipers, all new steering components in the rear, all new suspension components, except for they didn't put a spring in it. And I don't know why they didn't do that, but if it needs it, I'll put it in. It's got a new third member in it. It's got brand new axles in it. All the hard lines for fuel, for brake, all of those have been replaced. They really put a lot of money into this car, and I'm not sure. I don't know what they were thinking. Anyways, I'm glad I got it. I'm glad I got it for what I got it for. Now, the parts. I picked this thing up about a month ago, sitting next to some guy's garage underneath a makeshift garage tarp type thing. And the reason why I picked this one up is the T-tops. Now, and the molding around the windshield. Now the T-tops on these things are going new for about $1,600. And to find a real good set used is not easy either. It is a potentially running vehicle. However, it needs a little work. And I'm probably going to go ahead and get it running before I get rid of it, once I get all the parts I need off of it. Because I really don't need anything major off of it. Like I said, the air conditioning can come out of this thing. The box under the dash, I could use that. All this trim is good. Trim up here is good. Here is good. The parts I need for the rearview mirror there. I do need a set of these, but these are pretty much garbage at this point. But the T-tops in this thing, they're in great shape. I cannot complain. They look really good. I have a set of rubbers for this too if I need it. The paint on this yellow one's coming apart. I don't know what they did wrong when somebody painted it, but definitely not in good shape. But the bird cage is good in this thing, so that's a plus. And I don't know. See if it runs. donate a bunch of parts over to her. This one, that's a pearl white paint, and in the sun it's gorgeous. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's really got a nice shine to it. So that's my 76 Vette. I think I'm gonna have a lot of fun with it. I think I'll have more fun working on it than driving it. No, I'll have a lot more fun driving it. So this is a part of the video where if it was running, well, it does run. If it was outside, I'd take off in a peel out full of smoke. But look for the videos coming shortly. Like I said, I'm gonna start working on it and doing some content with this car. Thank you for watching Grampy's Garage. Like the video if you like it. Share it, comment on it. Love to hear what you have to say. And subscribe. Talk to you soon.